At Perpetual Investment Group, our mission is simple: connect discerning collectors and investors with the world's most coveted timepieces, safely, intelligently, and confidentially. For most buyers, getting access to rare or discontinued models is a challenge. Boutique allocations are tight, wait lists stretch for years, and the secondary market is full of risks. Behind the scenes, an exclusive private network connects collectors, dealers, and auction houses worldwide. This is where true sourcing expertise comes into play. Every sourcing engagement begins with these three principles: authenticity, discretion, and precision. Our goal is not to sell you a watch, but to secure the right one that fits your goals perfectly. We begin with a private consultation to understand your objectives, whether you're building a legacy collection, seeking investment diversification, or acquiring your first major piece. Next, our experts scan both public and private markets using a verified global network. Every lead goes through a rigorous authentication and condition assessment before it reaches your consideration. Provenance matters. We confirm that each piece includes legitimate paperwork, service history, and accurate market valuation, protecting you from hidden depreciation risks. Once approved, we negotiate discreetly to secure the most competitive market price. Our independence allows us to act entirely in your best interest. Every source timepiece is delivered with verified documentation, authenticity reports, and post-sale guidance for care, servicing, and resale strategy. Discretion is key. Our private clients' details, transactions, and collections remain strictly confidential. Every engagement is handled with the professionalism expected in high-value asset management. Recently, a client requested a Rolex Daytona Panda, a near-impossible piece to acquire at retail. Within weeks, we sourced an unworn 2023 model with full provenance. Clients choose Perpetual Investment Group because we offer clarity, access, and expertise. Our fee structure is transparent, our methods verifiable, and our relationships enduring. If you're seeking your next rare acquisition, connect with us at perpetualig.com. Let's discuss your goals and see if we're the right fit for your collection and investment journey.